Courser, mastering advanced IELTS vocabulary. Imagine galloping across vast plains on a powerful, swift horse. This image encapsulates the essence of our word for today, courser. If you're aiming for that coveted band 9.0 in IELTS, mastering nuanced vocabulary like this can give you the edge you need. Let's explore this word in depth. Word type. Courser is a noun, meaning a courser refers to a swift and strong horse, typically one used for hunting or in medieval times for battle. It's important to note that this term is not commonly used in modern everyday language, but understanding it can significantly enhance your vocabulary range for academic or literary context. Word history. The term courser has an interesting etymology. It comes from the Old French word coursier, which itself is derived from the Latin cursus, meaning a race or course. This reflects the horse's primary attribute, speed. The word entered the English language in the 13th century, during a time when horses played a crucial role in warfare and hunting. Antonyms. While there aren't direct antonyms for courser, we can consider terms that represent the opposite qualities. These might include plotter, referring to a slow-moving horse, or draft horse, which is strong but not known for speed. Synonyms. Some synonyms for courser include charger, steed, and warhorse. Each of these terms carries slightly different connotations, but all refer to powerful, high-quality horses. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we might use courser in context. The knight's courser, a magnificent black stallion, pawed at the ground, eager for the joust to begin. In the historical novel, the author vividly described the thundering hooves of the coursers as the cavalry charged across the battlefield. The painting depicted a noble courser, its mane flowing in the wind, symbolizing freedom and power. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing courser with courser. Courser, spelled with an A, is the comparative form of coarse, meaning rough or crude. Another error is using courser in modern context where it might sound archaic or out of place. It's best reserved for historical or literary uses. To wrap up, courser is a word that adds depth and precision to your vocabulary, particularly useful in discussions of history, literature, or when aiming for a more elevated style of writing. Remember its connection to swift, strong horses and its historical context. By incorporating such specific and nuanced vocabulary into your English repertoire, you're well on your way to achieving that band 9.0 in IELTS. Keep expanding your lexicon, and soon you'll be writing and speaking with the fluency and sophistication of a native speaker.